Hi guys, welcome to another video by Android Techman. And today I'll be showing you how you can install Snapchat on your rooted devices. I uploaded another video that was working previously, but after the new updates it has stopped working, so I've figured out another way to make Snapchat work on rooted devices. So let's just get to it and I'll be showing you how it's done. Okay, there are a couple of things that you have to do. First, let me just show you that my device is rooted here. I'm going to Super SU, and as you can see here, I have access to all the root activities. So I'm just gonna go back and explain to you how it's done. So first you need to go to your Play Store and install a couple of apps. The first one is obviously the Snapchat application. Okay, just go on to the Snapchat application and install Snapchat. And the other file that you need to install, the other application, sorry, that you need to install is the Parallel Space application. Okay, after installing both of these applications, you're gonna open the Parallel Space application. It's gonna take a few seconds to set up. And okay, let me just go back and show you how it's done from the scratch. Let me just clear the memory of the application so it's like brand new and recently installed. Okay, going to clear the data of application from here. Okay, here it is. Memory, storage, clear cache, clear data. Okay, let's just go back to the application and open it up. It's gonna take a couple of seconds to load the required files, but once it's done, it's pretty simple and straightforward after that. Okay, let's start the application and clone the Snapchat application from here and check other applications, like whatever applications you have. You just need Snapchat and that's it. Accept and then start the application. Make sure you have the updated version of Google services, Play Store services, that is. Okay, starting the application now. Now it's pretty simple and straightforward. After that, you're gonna enter your login ID, whatever that is, and password, and it's gonna take a couple of tries to log in. Usually doesn't log in on the first try. It may give you an error like it cannot connect to the server, but keep trying and keep tapping on the login option. It'll take like 2 to 3 tries to log in into your account successfully, but it'll work. And like the error that just popped up right now, it's gonna work, but it'll take 2 to 3 tries to connect to the server. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and if this works, subscribe to my channel. Take care.